Hey guys, it's Brenda G and welcome back to my channel. So, if you have not heard the song WAP by Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion, you are probably living under a rock. But I'm pretty sure you have heard it. I mean, the song is everywhere on TikTok, on Twitter. So even if you don't like Megan or Cardi, you are bound to have heard it at least once and hopefully have seen the music video. So what inspired this look was that Willy Wonka-ish scene when there's purple and green lines and they're just dancing. I'll include some pictures or a clip here. I don't know why that scene just stood out to me and I loved that color combo. So I recreated a look inspired by that and I made it WAP, but make it Euphoria because I've been obsessed with Euphoria makeup too. I've been on TikTok lately and I've been lumped into Euphoria TikTok but also makeup TikTok, so like Euphoria makeup TikTok kind of just inspired this. And then also the fact that I can't stop listening to WAP. There literally
hoes in this house, there's some hoes in this house
have been stuck in my head like non-stop since it came out. But anyway, enough rambling. I will just get right into how I created this makeup look. And also the fact that I have purple hair kind of helps this look too, because I know in the video Cardi and Megan kind of have like either green or purple hair. So this helped perfectly. So if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching and we'll get into it. So as you can see, I already have one eye done. So if you have any purple or green eyeliner, that is what we'll be using. I personally create my own eyeliners using eyeshadow and Inglot Duraline. So I will go ahead and link my watermelon sugar tutorial where I explain how I do that, so that way I don't have to explain it all over again and we can just move on with the tutorial. So if you haven't seen that, just stop, watch that if you need to make it, and then come back to this video. And it may be hard to make it identical, but what you're gonna do is just kind of follow the natural,
what is the word I'm looking for?
the natural crease of your eye and just kind of wing it out how you would naturally. So I'm gonna try to do this and I have a mirror right here, but I'll try to do it so you guys can see. Oh, and by the way, I bought some paintbrushes. Like these are really thin, as you can see, and this makes doing graphic eyeliner so much easier. And you can see I have like paint all over me, but this makes it very easier when you just get like thin little brushes like this. And kind of see it like this, and just connect it to this side. And that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna move on to the green portion on this eye. And then I just grabbed another brush. You don't wanna use the same brush because then it will mix colors. And you're gonna bring this one a little bit lower than the purple. So kind of, right, whoop, this one went a little bit too high. We're just gonna bring that lower. And around that area. So I already did the purple and the green graphic liner, and then I'm just gonna line my lash line with black eyeliner so that way the falsies can blend together with the band. After the eyeliner, you're gonna start applying the gems. So I'm just gonna apply this first one right in the middle, like that, and just kind of push it on. Like so. All right, now that I have the gems, I'm gonna go ahead and just add my falsies. And don't forget to add bottom lash mascara as well. And then you're gonna rim your waterline with some white eyeliner pencil. You're just gonna add one more gem right under your lower lash line. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face and get back for the finished look. And this is the finished WAP look. I just knew from watching that video that color combination they had during that dancing scene, I just had to recreate it. As you can see, it's actually really easy. You just need to have some gems and some vivid eyeliner, and that's honestly all that it took. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just on the beat.